The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a compelling addition to Infinix's lineup, blending powerful hardware and stylish aesthetics. At its core, it is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, delivering seamless performance for demanding tasks like gaming, multitasking, and video editing. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate promises vibrant visuals, smooth scrolling, and an immersive viewing experience, perfect for streaming and gaming enthusiasts. Photography is likely a key focus, with a versatile triple camera system featuring a 108MP primary sensor for sharp, detailed shots, supported by an 8MP ultrawide lens and a 5MP macro lens. The front-facing 32MP camera should cater to selfie lovers and ensure high-quality video calls. Battery life is another standout feature, with a 4,600 mAh capacity capable of supporting all-day use. The inclusion of 110W fast wired charging and 20W wireless charging ensures rapid power replenishment. The device is expected to offer ample memory options, with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, providing plenty of space for apps, photos, and media. Running on the latest version of Android, the Note 50 Pro Plus is likely to deliver a smooth and customizable user experience, enhanced by thoughtful software features. With a focus on affordability without compromising quality, the phone is rumored to be priced around TND 1,365 in Tunisia, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. Whether for work, entertainment, or capturing life's moments, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is poised to be a versatile and attractive choice for tech enthusiasts.